In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size in AOL Mail. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if I go on ahead and open up AOL, you'll see that my font size is currently set to about this size here. So take note. Now to make this increased, we need to go back and then we need to click onto settings. Now from here, we need to scroll down inside settings and click onto display. Now once we're in the display, we need to scroll down again and click on font size and style. And then once you're inside font size and style, you'll see a slider that goes left to right. So left will make your font size smaller, right will make your font size larger. So to make it larger, keep it near the right hand side. I'm going to keep it about there. And now what I'm going to do is head on over to AOL Mail, and you'll be able to see the font size has been increased significantly. So yeah, just have a play around that slider and set it to however large you need that to be set up.